when you're back squatting, if you're not experienced in bailing or throwing the bar off your back, if you are going to fail a lift, these safety spotter arms can be of great benefit. So when we're in a class, we definitely want to use these for any not really super experienced lifters. The only downside to these is their length is shorter than how far someone would typically back up to squat. So usually we would ask people to back a step and a half away from the rack. If this were the case and I failed, these do me no good. So what we're gonna do to set these up is we're gonna have everyone that's using them squat all the way down with the bar on their back, and then someone can help visualize this. We need to set these 2 to 3 inches below the lowest point of their squat. Make sure it's not right at the bar, because if the weight's heavy and it pushes them a little further, you do not want the bars contacting these if they're not supposed to. So I went ahead and set this up so you can see what this would look like. I'm gonna go to a full squat, and this bar should be just above these spotter arms. So if I were to fail, all I would need to do is lean forward a few inches. Bar falls, lands on this. Now, in regards to our gym, here's something we want to make sure of. With this line we have on the floor, have anyone using these spotter arms put their toes on the line when they're squatting. It's going to feel a little closer than normal, but it's far enough from the hooks where we're not going to hit those, and it puts us right in the sweet spot of landing on these. If I come too far back, I could risk potentially missing the spotter arm in the event of a failed lift. So that is how you will set up and use these safety spotter arms for a max back squat.